Hey guys, CoreX Hosting here. Check out this beautiful weekend. It's a Sunday right now, about 11 in the morning. It is, I don't know, 50 degrees out or so. Nice sweatshirt weather, sunny, not too windy. It's perfect. So, we're at the facility, doing a little housekeeping. Had to replace a fan on the machine and a couple other little small things. Nothing too special, but it's a Sunday, nice day. Figured to come here and knock it out and moved on my way. So yeah, hopefully everything's going good for everybody. We still have about 200 slots left at this facility, maybe a touch less. And so if you're looking to get your L9, your S21 XP, any other, I know I have some HE Pros on the way. I even have some people who pre-ordered the Z15 Pros. I got about 20 of those on the way. So if you're looking to get a miner hosted, check out my website, corexhosting.io. And then also on the website, there's a contact form. You can fill that out. It contacts me. I'll get a hold of you. I'll either call you, mostly call you, just because it's easier to answer questions when we're on the phone, and gonna go from there. So yeah, nothing too special, nothing new right now. Everything's just kind of keeping the status quo, keeping everything going. I got a lot of new stuff coming up on the way. This could be a really good year. Last year was really good with the first facility and getting this one turned on here at the very beginning of January. But 2026 is looking to be really good. So very excited. Nothing to announce yet. Just know that trying to push the game up a little bit. So working on quite a few things. So thank you guys. Thanks for checking this out. Like I said, if you got any questions, corexhosting.io. Let me know. We'll go from there.